Hi, this is Larry Parman with the law firm of Parman Easterday. With me today, again, is Jerry Schiele, and we're continuing our discussion of estate planning, breaking down the different topics into small bite-sized pieces so you can think about those. Today we're going to talk about why it's important to have a plan, why everyone needs one. So Jerry, kind of start us off and tell us why everyone listening should consider creating an estate plan.
One of the things that families are really concerned about is what happens if mom or dad passes away? Who's going to be responsible for taking care of things? What assets do they have? Who do they want to receive the bounty of their efforts? When do they want that distributed? Do they want it held in trust? Do they want it used for certain purposes like educational purposes? All of these are issues that come up, and if you haven't had this discussion with your family members, if you haven't put a plan together that addresses them, you're going to create confusion and chaos with the family, and children may be going off in many different directions that are going to create strain that doesn't need to be there.
Scott reminded me to make this point. I think it's a good one, namely that everyone needs an estate plan, and sometimes that discussion, as you mentioned, who gets the money, when do they get it, and who's going to manage that process, involves the whole issue of how much money is necessary to have a plan, or do you have to have so much before a plan's even worth considering? And a point that I like to make is that most of the estate planning decisions we make are based on what you want to have happen at certain times in your life, not how much money you have.
Exactly.
So whether you have $250,000 or $500,000 in total assets in your total estate, or $10 million, sometimes the decisions about distributing that money and who's going to do it is still very important.
Absolutely.
Because you can ask people 3 different questions. If you had 10 different people out there and ask them 3 different questions, you'd have 10 different plans. Everyone's estate planning DNA is truly unique.
That's right.
So everyone needs an estate plan. So to find out more about how you might create your plan, give us a call, 405-843-6100. This is Larry Parman and Jerry Schiele. We'll talk to you next time.